To install Git on Windows, you have to download Git installation files from official Git website. Open any of your favorite browsers, then search for Git download on Google. You will find download Git in first search result. Click on it. Now you will land on this page. Here you can see there are different installation files for macOS, Windows and Linux or Unix. Since we have the Windows operating system, we will click here. The download will start shortly after clicking the download for Windows button. As I have already downloaded this installation file, I will not download it again, but you have to complete this download process. Then open File Explorer, go to the download section, and here is our Git installation file. Double click on it. After double clicking, this pop-up will open. Just click on next. Now you can select a separate destination folder from here, but I am going to keep it default and click on next. Here you can tick on the addition icons. If you want a shortcut on your desktop, then click on next. Now don't do anything here, just click on next. Here you can select Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, Vim or any other code editor as your Git's default editor. But I am going with the default editor. Then click on next. In this window, you can let Git choose your repository's initial branch name, or you can click on override the default branch name for new repositories and provide your custom name here. I will go with the first option, then click on next. In this window, don't do anything, just click on next. Here use the bundled OpenSSH and click on next. Now keep it default and click on next. Again keep it as it is and click on next again. Here you can use the Windows default console, but Git recommends to use Mint.ATY. Then click on next. Keep it selected as fast forward or merge. Then click on next. Again click on next. And finally click on install to start process. Now it will take several moments. You have to wait. Once the complete installation process, untick View Release Notes and click on Finish. Then open your command prompt and type git-v. Here it will show that Git version latest is installed in your computer. I hope this video helps you to install Git. If yes, kindly consider to supporting this channel.